Lancu Armstrong, pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Tell me, what are your first impressions here being in Slovenia?
First of all, I've never been to Slovenia. In cycling, it's become arguably the most prominent country.
How did you rescue from being on top, falling down?
I have 5 children, I have a beautiful family. My number one job was to support them. And so they know their father's history. But they've also watched their dad navigate this crisis and support them and keep his head up. And so it's been it's been colorful, to say the least.
And we can say you are living now the second life, the life you love.
I get asked all the time, you know, would you do it all over? Would you? It's an obvious question, but it's not a fair question. And so I've managed the best I could with the situation as it was, and every day that I wake up, I look at, you know, it sounds funny, but I look at it and say, wow, I get to wake up as me.
Is it comparable, this time of cycling, with your era of cycling?
In this country, is obviously you have a few great current champions, but I mean, I think most would argue that, or make the case that Tadej is the greatest of all time.
And Primož Roglič started his cycling career here
on this mountain.
If
it wasn't for this crash, he never gets into cycling. As an American or a Texan, if you watch that crash, not knowing anything about that sport, you think that person doesn't survive. Looks terrible. But you know, to have that happen to him and to need the bike to recover, it changed the course of history. Certainly his history.
Thank you for your time and enjoying Slovenia.
Yeah, it's great to be here. Yeah, thank you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you, absolutely.